my first workers and the children. I want to apologize as a politician that your names are everywhere for no reason. Your privacy has been defiled as I fight my political battles. I want to apologize, but there's nothing you can do because you got married to a politician. I'm very pained that my late brother, Governor Gachagua, a good man, a man who worked very hard, who died 8 years ago, his will that he made in privacy is in every newspaper. His properties that he worked so hard to live for his family are everywhere in the newspaper. I wish those who pursue me could just pursue me and allow my late brother to rest in peace. That I feel. And therefore, good people, thank you very much for your prayers, and God will see us through. I have no doubt in my mind. I have no doubt in my mind, and I want to encourage our office staff not to feel discouraged. Let's just continue working, because we have a duty to serve the people of Kenya equally, with competence, with commitment, because we owe to the people of Kenya.